Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing as well as setting up the Govee RGBIC LED strips. Now I've featured these many times on my channel. You have a Govee Home app, adjust the brightness, they have music mode, you can set timers, DIY scenes, and they're safe to use. On the back of the box this is model H6-145. This is a 5-meter strip, 12 volts, 2 amps, 24 watts of power. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so on top you just have a like it, share it card. So if you like the product you can leave a review. If you don't like it you can contact them. You have a user manual, and then right here you have options on how to be able to mount them properly. We have the reel here. So here's the strip. You have a 3M adhesive on the back of the control panel. As you can see you have an on, a change color, and a music mode button. And then you have a microphone right here. This is how the music mode will be played through, only from this microphone. Then you have the IR receiver, which is 360 degrees, which has a really good field of view. And then you have the power output. They're really simple to set up. And then right here you also have the remote. It's a custom remote. So you have RGBW, you have the color change, you have brightness adjuster, you have the power button, you have a randomized segment chooser, I guess. You have a night button, and then you have auto, modes, speeds, play, pause, and then you have 4 different music modes. Then right here you have an alcohol prep pad to be able to wipe down the surface before you apply the strips, which I will get into and how to do it. And then right here you have 3M brackets and then some mounting screws. You do not have to use the mounting screws. It's only optional if you want it to be permanent. There's a power supply. So this one is rated at 12 volts. Alright, so here's the strip. Pretty simple. This is what the beads look like. This is the RGBIC chip. So it's an independent control, and I'll show you what that means in a bit. I'm gonna go and show you how to set them up. Really simple. Just plug it in like this. That's it. That's all you have to do. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and show you how to set this up. I'm gonna go ahead and move this to a different angle and I'll be right back. Alright, so I technically have RGB strips on the bottom of my desk already. So we're gonna go ahead and take those off. We're not gonna waste them. We're gonna actually move them to one of my other places in my room. I'm probably gonna show you that as well. But we're gonna take these off. We're gonna clean the surface heavily. So we're gonna clean it, and then we're gonna also apply brackets on the back. Have the remote here, power supply, everything's hooked up. We're gonna try to go simply into it. We have the brackets here. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and quickly turn all of this off, the whole lights. We're gonna remove them, and then we're gonna go ahead and move them to a different location. So we're gonna go into a time lapse right now. Alright, I 100% apologize because of all the static for the few minutes, so I just apologize for that. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it off with the alcohol prep pad. We're gonna go on the bottom and some of the edges. I'm not gonna get all of them because some of them are by cables, but yeah, we're gonna get everywhere we possibly can. Cleaned it. Now we just have to unspool this, and then I'm not going to untie this yet because I don't know about the cable management, but we're going to unspool this and then we're going to get it set. But so first we're going to plug it in. I was trying out this lavalier microphone which has a lot of static, and I promise I'll throw it away after this. I would do a voiceover, but it's too much. Alright, we just finished it. Now we're going to go ahead and apply some 3M brackets. So we're going to go underneath. I don't think they fit in the back, but if they do then I'll add them. I doubt they do. So we're going to add them on the bottom instead. So we're going to do that real quick. Alright, so we just added some brackets. I'm going to go and show you where I added them. So we added them on the bottom. So we added one on the corner, on both ends. So here and here. And then the 5th one we put right here, going into that turn of a corner. I did not bend the corner because you can't, I don't want to say you can't bend them, but it'll be really damaging to the strip. Also, you cannot cut these, so make sure you try to use all of the strip. I'm going to go ahead and show you the in-app features. Alright, so now we're going to go and show you some in-app features. So we're going to go ahead and go to the Govee Home app. Now we're going to go ahead and add a device. We're going to go down to RGBIC section, and we're going to look for H6-145, which is right here. And it already detected it. Now it's asking for device name, desk, RGBIC. There we go. And it should be connected. And it already automatically asks us for an update. But if we click later, it'll be right there, version found. And you can go and click that and update from there. we're going to go ahead and update it real quick, and then we're going to go ahead and show you the features. Alright, so we just updated it. It's on the latest firmware version, and we can basically segment the strip now. So we're going to go ahead and segment a few of these red. Perfect. And then we're going to go ahead and do the other half. We'll do it blue. Alright, and then the bottom ones, there we go. So now we have a red side and a blue side. We're going to go and change that one to blue. There we go. Now we have one side blue, one side red, and then the bottom piece is all white. So you can see everything perfectly. Really, really cool. And then obviously you have the scenes just like the normal RGBIC, and it looks insanely good. And then let's go to fireworks. That looks nice. Okay, that looks clean. Okay, so let's go ahead and do life or do crossing. That one's pretty fast. We're gonna try out game. That looks cool. That's like, reminds me of like a Pac-Man or something. We'll do siren. That looks so cool. Definitely worth it. It's only like 25 bucks, guys. Stacking. I like this one. It starts from the right side, so the beginning of the strip, and then it just makes its way all the way around, which is amazing. Right, we're gonna go ahead and go into my DIY ones. So I'm gonna go and try out. My ready one. Oh, that looks cool. It like swivels down. That's so cool. Alright, we're gonna try out my color chase. Perfection. It's a little bit fast. Let me go and slow it down. That's a little bit better. That is cool. Okay. And then, since I made a video of this already, but you can go ahead and group them. So you can go to smarts, device group, as you can see. And I can add another device, so I can just add the new one. Check that. Boom, now we have 3 of them connected. Okay, now we can go ahead and select all of it. Turn it to blue. Obviously we can segment them the exact same way, so we can just do that red or something. As you can see, it changes all of them all at once. And then we can all make them in the same music mode. Do the same music mode. Boom, boom, boom. Now the top ones are set to change automatically, different colors. So as you can see, auto color. And we can do spectrum. Boom, boom, boom. There's tons of stuff you could do. So we're gonna do DIY. We're gonna go ahead and change it all to the ready. You can see, even the desk is, oh, that looks nice. Super clean. Okay. The color chase. Oh yeah, dude, that looks clean. The whole bedroom. Okay, we have actually tried 5 RGBIC strips then, or 6, but yeah, there's tons of options. Here's a old one. Yeah, but there's tons of different options you can do in here. We're going to change them all to white for now. I've gotten requests of that, so we're going to do a test of the RGBIC music mode. I'll be making a future video of a test with all of them, and that's going to look really cool. If you guys want to see that video, I'll probably make it next week. Basically, they have their own section here. We have timers, brightness, DIY. I have a more in-depth video I'll leave a link in the description for. It is for the top ones you see in my bedroom. It's a 32-foot strip, basically the exact same model. It comes with the remote. Speaking of remote, I'm going to go and test that out real quick. Turn it on, change the brightness, 2, 3, 6, okay, and then change the color, really nice. And then we can do this segment. It'll automatically change a different color. Boom, boom. See, it's doing segmented colors. And then we can also do the music modes right off the bat. We can do white off the bat, 2 different shades. And we can do the nighttime, which sets it to a dark color. But anyways, it's at low brightness now. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So yeah, that's all I have. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe. These are an amazing pair of strips. I'm not going to go ahead and install the other ones in this video because it'll be way too long of a video. But anyways, if you guys want to see the rest of my, check out more videos just like this, make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Links are in the description to purchase. They're only $25.